Hey guys, today we are diving into Zoho Thrive, Zoho's powerful loyalty management platform that helps you attract, reward, and retain your best customers. This tool is designed to simplify loyalty programs, automate customer rewards, and turn occasional buyers into long-term brand supporters. So if you're ready to boost customer loyalty like a pro, let's begin. Before you can connect anything to Zoho, you first need to create a Zoho account. The reason is simple. Zoho's ecosystem is account-based, and that one account gives you access to all Zoho applications, integration settings, user management, and your full dashboard. To create your account, simply go to zoho.com. On the top corner, you will see Sign In button, but if you don't have an account, just click the Sign Up button. From here, the process is very straightforward. You can start your free account instantly, and if you want to make setup faster, you can sign up using your Google, LinkedIn, or Microsoft account. If you prefer not to, you can use your personal or work email and click Sign Up for free. After signing up, you'll be forwarded to your Zoho account homepage. From there, click Access Your Apps, and you'll be taken to the Zoho directory. If you're not sure where to find Zoho Thrive, simply go to the search bar that says I am looking for and type Thrive. Zoho Thrive will appear in the product list. Click Try Now. You will be taken to this page. Here, simply click on Access Zoho Thrive, and the system will forward you directly to the Thrive interface. At this stage, Zoho may ask you for some information because not all products have the exact same setup requirements. Here, you have to give your organization a NAM. Give your organization a catchy name that matches the type of work you do, and after that, choose your preferred currency such as USD, GBP, or any other option that fits your needs. Once you've selected everything, you can move forward with the setup. Once you've entered these details for the first time, simply click on the Create button and you will be redirected to Zoho Thrive's interface. As you'll notice, Thrive may require activation or integration steps. As you can see, mine is still pending, but wincy. Once your account is created and activated, you'll gain full access to Zoho applications, including Thrive. We've been using Zoho Thrive for a while, and the platform is extremely user-friendly from the moment you open it. The interface is clean, simple to understand, and not overwhelming at all. On the left side of the navigation dashboard, you'll find all the tools and features we will walk through one by one. First, the Points module represents the core of your loyalty program. Here, you define how customers earn points through purchases, referrals, sign-ups, or custom actions. You can create rules for redemption, track individual customer balances, and even set expiry dates for unused points. To create your first points program, click the Setup option and integrate your online store. This step is essential because Thrive needs your store connection to track purchases and reward customers accurately. If your store runs on Zoho Commerce, Shopify, Wix e-commerce, or a custom-built store, you can integrate it directly. For example, if you're using Shopify, log into your Shopify account and you will be asked to enter your store URL, API key, API secret key, and access tokens. If you don't have these credentials yet, no worries. You can always return to this step later. Without the store integration, you won't be able to activate the points program, but you can still explore other features like tasks and rewards. If you want to create a task, click on Add Task and then just select the task type, such as Become a Member, Customer Insights, Referral, Referral Purchase, or Purchase. It depends entirely on your goals. For example, if you choose Referral Purchase, you will be taken to this page where you have to click the task label and name it something like How to Use Zoho Thrive. Then assign the number of points you want to offer. You can also set availability by choosing a specific date range. You can assign this task to a tier, for example, VIP Tier 1, and click Add Task. Similarly, you can create a rewards program. Click on Rewards section, then click on Add Reward, and a menu will pop up. Here you have different categories like Zoho Commerce Rewards, Shopify Rewards, and Wix Commerce Rewards. If you don't have a Shopify or Zoho Commerce store integrated yet, you can still create a custom reward using a webhook API URL. First add reward label, then you have to provide webhook API URL. You will also need the points required for redemption. If you don't have API details available, you won't be able to finalize the reward setup. In that case, reach out to your team leader, manager, IT department, or client so they can provide the required credentials. Next is VIP section. The VIP program allows you to set up loyalty tiers that increase customer lifetime value. For adding tier, click on Add Tier. You can define perks for each tier, set qualification rules, and customize how customers move upward based on points. Once you've added your tier configuration, click Add Tier. You can revisit and adjust these settings anytime. Just remember, store integration must be completed for full functionality. The Configuration tab controls your widgets, visuals, and loyalty display settings. For example, if you want to add a widget title like Join Our Loyalty Program, you can enter the text directly. You can also design a description such as Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Once you're satisfied, click Save. Notifications allow you to set up automated messages for your customers. You can choose your brand color and customize alerts for points earned, rewards redeemed, VIP promotions, point expiry reminders, or post-purchase feedback requests. You can also preview your settings. Once here, you can invite any member to Loyalty Program by entering their email here. Once done, let me go over to my second email. As you can see, the test email successfully arrives in your inbox, confirming that the notification system works properly. Now back to your Thrive homepage. Next section is the Program Settings section gives you centralized control over your entire loyalty program. You can enable or disable modules like referrals and reviews, set expiration rules, and activate program opt-in settings. Everything is customizable based on your business needs. The Customers section provides a complete summary of your loyalty program performance. You can see total points, email addresses, customer activity, and recent actions. It's a powerful place to monitor how customers engage with your program. The Reviews section helps you manage product or service feedback collected through loyalty incentives. You can approve or reject reviews and analyze sentiment. Testimonials go one step further by helping you collect impactful customer stories, build social proof, and strengthen your marketing. Performance insights allow you to evaluate your loyalty program's ROI and overall effectiveness. You can track engagement over time, compare different campaigns, and identify which customers are top performers or inactive users. Finally, the Purchases tab allows you to track every customer purchase and connect it to loyalty behavior. You can review order frequency, average order value, and use these insights to build targeted reward campaigns. And with that, thank you so much for watching our walkthrough on how to use Zoho Thrive. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.